When it comes to corporate offices, investing in quality audiovisual systems is vital. I'm Kimberly from CSAV Systems, and I'm here to give you a firsthand look at the infinite benefits AV can have on your business. Today, we're taking a technology tour of the corporate office of one of the largest and most comprehensive healthcare systems in New Jersey. During the construction phase, we were brought in to help design and engineer various AV systems based on our clients' needs and goals. This allowed us to develop a custom audiovisual solution within multiple conference rooms, the wellness center, and a truly spectacular demo kitchen. Follow me to see for yourself. As employees and guests enter the lobby, their attention is captured by a digital signage display which can present engaging content and crisp graphics. CSAV Systems also installed a bright sign media player which is seamlessly integrated with software that allows the user to change their content effortlessly. This facility uses digital signage for internal marketing purposes such as posting important announcements, promoting upcoming events, and sharing relevant photos. Digital signage is just one example of how businesses can communicate their messages and advertise in a strong and effective way. As we continue through this corporate office, you will see several conference spaces. In these meeting rooms, our team installed several technologies, including high-definition monitors, control systems, a video bar, ceiling-mounted microphones, speakers, and pan-tilt zoom cameras. All these systems have been integrated to create a user-friendly experience so that video conferencing meetings can go off without a hitch. Within the large conference room, we helped create a completely customized, automated, and divisible conference space. This means that there is the ability to either be one large room or two separate areas when the full room is not required. The technology within this space is exceptional. It provides flexibility on how the systems can be used. Part of the customer's design request was to have a demo kitchen be used for in-office classes and training for outside guests. As we venture onto the demo kitchen, we installed a remarkable system to support cooking classes. Here you will see 2 high-definition displays, speakers, and 3 PTZ cameras controlled by a joystick. The most unique aspect of this room is that whoever is running the cooking class can use a foot switch to trigger different camera presets. To tie it all in, the content shown on the displays can also be live streamed or conferenced for virtual viewings. Now that you have seen the technology at play, it is clear how the right AV solutions can truly bring your business to the next level. When you invest in a highly regarded audiovisual consultant, you can advance your business operations, improve communication, and open new doors of possibility. Serving as a leader in the AV industry, our team at CSAV Systems can help your business achieve goals and break down the technology barriers. Give us a call today to learn how we can serve your business with innovative AV solutions.